got to be more than just canopies and umbrellas. I'm so tired of these heavy ass stands and these pop-up racks everywhere. The covers rip and all I'm left with is racks. I need something better. It's got to be something better out there. Please help. Transform your backyard into a magical camping retreat with Alvantor. Experience the joy of outdoor camping right at home, surrounded by nature, starry lights, and cozy fireplaces. Set up your Alvantor tent, gather your loved ones, and create unforgettable memories in the comfort of your own backyard. Embrace the adventure. While pop-up tents and umbrellas primarily serve as shelters from the sun or rain, the Alvantor screen tent is specifically designed for camping. It offers protection from insects and the elements while providing a comfortable space to relax, eat, and socialize. I am an Amazon associate and I receive commission on all quantities of products sold through my link below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the reminder button to update you on my next video release. And thank you again for watching this video.